Okay, today we're going to do a little bit of beach combing. This video is meant to be for fun. To make serious videos, to make some traveling videos, make some do-it-yourself. Today we're going to make a fun video about beach combing. So follow along. After we'll show you what you need to beach comb. So hang on. Okay, now we're going to down here, do a little beach combing and see what we can find. Maybe we'll find some shells. Maybe we'll find some, who knows what we'll find out here today. This is some new sand they brought in. They redid this beach. So here's how we beach comb. Oh, found some nice shells. Yep, there they are. Got the glove on because we've been picking up garbage today. But the only thing you need to beach comb are two things. You need a beach and you need a comb. So this means beach combing. Hope you enjoyed this kind of a fun comedy video. What we do on days we don't have a lot to do, we go to the beach and just have fun. Thanks. Have a great day. We'll see what else we can find. He's out here looking for garbage and shells. She's beach combing. Jan's beach combing. Let's see what kind of shell she's got. Let's see your shell. Oh, that's a nice shell.
I wanted to see the inside.
Oh, wow, look at the outside.
It's old, but it's pretty.
That is a cool shell. You got one like that before.
Yeah, it looks so much like my other one.